Today on my retro recipes, we're making Maureen O'Hara's Star-Kist Tuna Crunch Salad. All right, first step, we're going to need a bowl. Then we are going to add 1 can of tuna to the bowl. And then next we're going to add 4.5 tablespoons of chopped pickles. Okay, next is going to be my onions, and it's going to be 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, next I am going to add some lemon juice, and it's going to be 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And the last ingredient is going to be some cabbage. Okay, we're going to add 1.5 cups of shredded cabbage. And the last ingredient is going to be 1 cup of mayonnaise. Okay, and I'm going to give this a mix. Mix everything till everything is well incorporated. Okay, now this is going to go in the refrigerator to chill for about an hour, and then when you're ready to serve it, you are going to bring it out, and then we're going to continue with the next step. Okay, we're back. Now our last step for the salad is to take our crunched up potato chips, and I've got 1 cup here. You can add more if you'd like, if you want more, and I'm just going to put about half on top. Half. There you go. And now I'm going to give it a mix. So it's important not to add your chips early before putting it in the fridge, or they'll go soggy. So you want to add them right before you serve this salad. So next, presentation. So I've got a bowl with some lettuce, and I hollowed out the lettuce, and I just put the lettuce and made like a bowl. So I'm going to add my salad, tuna salad, inside. On top. That's looking good. And then we're just going to finish it off with the rest of the potato chips on top. And then some tomato wedges. I've got 1 Roma tomato. You can add 1, 2, and I just not cubed them, I just quartered them. There we go. Whoopsie. And then just put them on the side. There you go. And there's the salad. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Today on my retro recipes, we're making Maureen O'Hara's, oh my gosh. Today on my retro recipes, we're making Maureen O'Hara's Star-Kist, oh my gosh. Today on my retro recipes, we're making, what are we making now? Ugh.